Merry Christmas, everybody. Welcome back to my channel, Karen Perns. Let's Stitch and Make Up. I'm so happy that you guys are joining me today. I know I've been gone for a little bit, but I wanted to come back and wish you all a Merry Christmas and just visit with you guys. I have unboxings today, or unbaggings today. I have some Happy Mail. And my first Happy Mail I got is from Neva, Manic Musings. And I won one of her giveaways. So she got that to me in the mail, and I did have it for a little bit, hanging on to it because I wanted to make a Christmas video and unbag my stuff on Christmas so that it's an extra Christmas gift for me. So here's the card that she sent. Isn't that just beautiful? Merry Christmas. And it's wishing you the warmest holiday season. Merry Christmas. I just love it. And then we have, oh, it's a postcard. It's a New Mexico postcard. And she says, I love you, my friend. Oh, isn't that cool? I have never gotten a postcard from New Mexico, ever. I love it. All the wildlife she has. You know, we actually have mountain lion cougars, whatever you want to call them. And I seen one close to where I live. I seen it over by the dump area. Oh, that was just amazing. And then, of course, bears, and we have wolves and fox and deers and all that as well. So I'm going to put that over here. And here are the stitch markers. I'm going to hold this card up like that. Actually, I'll hold up the envelope because it's going to show it a little bit better. Look at, aren't those nice? Oh my gosh. So we have a little ghost. A little ghost. And then we have candy corn. I actually made a candy corn. I have it somewhere over there. I knitted a candy corn. And a pumpkin. I've knitted a pumpkin, and then I've crocheted a pink pumpkin. And then this is a spider. And a purple skull. I don't know if I can show that. There we go. And I think I showed you everything. Nope. And we have these pretty beads. And it all comes on a keychain. These are stitch markers, so I am going to be using those for sure. Thank you, Neva. I love them. Now let's go to the second. And we have this from Linnea, Linnea's Comfy Crafts. And I won one of her giveaways. She had a hidden giveaway. And I won that. And so let's open it up. Here's the card. I love getting these. Ooh, that is so cool. Look. It's shiny and pretty. So pretty. She says, Dearest Karen, sis, I hope you feel the love and warmth of my love and have for you when you wear this cowl I knit. Love, Linnea. Okay, I'm going to put the card over here by my little tree. You like my little tree? Let's open it up. Oh my gosh. Oh, that is amazing. That is so amazing. Look at the work. Wow. Oh my gosh, she knit this, and it's just truly, truly amazing. Wow. Wow. She is so talented. I had it upside down. Oh my goodness. Look at, these are little bunnies and hearts. Oh my gosh. See the hearts right here? And there's the little bunnies. Wow. That is gorgeous, and it is so cushy. I'm going to absolutely love wearing this. This is going to keep me so warm. Oh, Linnea, you are so talented. It's beautiful. Thank you. Aw, I will just be so warm and cuddly and feel all the, whoopsie, all the warmth and the love from you for that. Thank you. So thank you so much to Neva and Linnea. I just love it. I love it all. It is gorgeous. I love the stitch markers. I love the cowl. Let me put the cowl on so you can see. I go, there you go. Oh my gosh, look. Look. I love it. Oh, that is going to be so warm. Oh yeah. And look, it can come up above your head like so and around. Oh, I love it. It is gorgeous. And it'll go with my jacket really well. Thank you so much. I love it. And I love my stitch markers, Neva. I want to be using these right away with one of the projects that I'm going to be working on. And I just so happy to get these and so happy to know you both you wonderful ladies. You girls are amazing, and I love your friendship and chatting with you on a regular basis. And I'm so happy that we met each other through YouTube. So everybody have a great rest of your Christmas holidays, Christmas season, and enjoy your Boxing Day. And I will see you soon. Love you all.